The next major benefit omega-3s can bring to your life is its ability to fight inflammation. All right, rolling. And I gotta be a little careful here because the immune system actually uses inflammation as a weapon against these invading pathogens. The viruses, the bacteria, the dirt, and the disease of life that come at us at all times. That inflammation, when you get a fever, you're inflamed, right? You're feverish. What's happening? Your body is fighting a pathogen that is not going to do you good. And the quicker it can get rid of the pathogen, the better. That's why the fever comes and then it goes. Inflammation is part of the immune system, and where the trouble comes for us, especially as you get older, when you're in your 50s and 60s and 70s, you're going to find that inflammation becomes chronic, which means after the battle is over, the pathogen's gone, there's no more bacteria to fight, the inflammation continues and continues and continues. And you can think of rheumatoid arthritis. You can think of your joints, right? Even the minor aches and pains of your shoulders or getting that rotator cuff inflamed. It might take 2 years to work that thing out. That is chronic inflammation, and omega-3s will go a long way in subduing the chronic inflammation so that your body can function better. That's the whole point of this, is that we want to be able to function, do our jobs, have fun in life. And if you're chronically feeling uncomfortable and it's preventing you from going out for a walk in nature or getting on your bicycle and going for a ride, or it's preventing you from going to the gym and having a workout, and you don't want to go swimming anymore because it's too uncomfortable, omega-3s help to tamp down that chronic inflammation. And I'm going to leave you with this. Inflammation is at the root of all chronic disease. So said another way, Western diseases, the diseases of highly industrialized nations, at the root is chronic inflammation, where the body has been fighting so long against certain things you're doing with your mouth, like consuming the wrong types of food and eating a lot of processed food, junk stuff. That inflammation response just carries on and carries on and carries on. There's 2 things you got to do. You got to clean up the diet, obviously, like you stop feeding the fire, right? If the fire's going and you throw on some gasoline and some more wood, that thing's going to keep burning. Well, the processed junk food is the gasoline. Got to stomp that out, and then you can work on reducing that inflammation in the body using omega-3 and turmeric and other supplements like that. Omega-3s can fight inflammation, which is your body's natural response to infection, but after the infection's over, calm your body down with that omega-3. If you have a question that we have not answered up till now, put the question down below. We will make a video for you.